Hi, I would like to show you how to hand feed a cockatiel chick that is 2 weeks old. First of all, I prepare the syringes and I keep the syringes hot in this silicone pan with hot water so they keep the right temperature. And I always close the syringe with a top so that the water in the bowl doesn't go into the food. So they have clean food inside the syringe. And the chick, this one is named Victoria. She is actually 12 days old. No, I'm sorry, 16. And she's a hungry little one. I have had to hand feed them because their parents didn't feed them well. And she's a really hungry little girl. I always weigh them before I feed them. And in the morning when I weigh them, that's the weight that I put down for every day to see the weight gain. Because during the night they will have emptied the crop. And the crop during the day, it will still have some food left from the last meal. But in the morning, it should always be empty. So this little girl is so hungry now. And this, well, I have the syringe prepared with a formula. And always test it on the inside of my hand to check that the temperature is just right, because you don't want to burn the crop, you don't want it to be too cold either. And she is very used to it, so I don't have to hold her firmly. But if you have to hold her firmly, hold the head between these two fingers and the rest around the body, so she's in a steady grip. And as you see, she's very easy to feed. When they are younger and not used to it, you have to give the food slowly, because they can get asphyxiated, and then you can lose them. So slowly, and after a while they do eat very rapidly by themselves. But I usually give them half, then I stop just to make sure that they are breathing okay and they don't get the food into the air system. And as you can see, this was a hungry little girl. So it only takes a few seconds and she has eaten her meal. And her father thinks that she's beautiful, by the way. So this is Victoria, and she has now had her meal, and you can see that her crop is well filled. But it should not be filled so much that it gets over the throat where you get filled up the crop, because then they have got too much and they can get a sloppy crop from that one. And I will also feed the smallest one, so you see the difference. And this one is Isabella, little Isabella, and she's very hungry as well. But you can see she's a lot smaller than, but I always weigh them first, so I will just do that quickly. I have everything prepared. And now with this silicone pot, it works perfectly. And when I take the food out for her, it got the perfect temperature just as the other ones had. So it keeps the same temperature all the time. As I said, between your fingers like this and around the body, and always give the food from the right side of the beak. That way you can make sure that it doesn't get down into the airways. And this one I give a little slower. She's a little smaller than the other one, so I want her to take it a little more easy than the others. And so this is a way to feed the little ones when the parents can take care of them, or if you only want to support feed. What is most important is, remember, the temperature should always be about 40 degrees Celsius, and never give them colder food either, because if the food is too cold, it will slow down the metabolism in their body, so they can't process the food, because the food is cooling down their body. So the temperature is super, super, super important. And this way you will get healthy babies and happy babies, and the babies will love you. And so does the father as well, as you hear. Anyway, good luck with your babies, and I hope that this has been of help to you. And just take your time with your babies. Now I was quite quick because I wanted to film this, but usually, of course, always wipe the little mouth after a meal. But I always, of course, end the meal with a good cuddle. With a good cuddle. Yeah. This way you get birds that are just perfect, and you don't want to get rid of them. Good luck with your babies. Thank you. Bye.